Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of viruses and how they hijack human cells to reproduce. These tiny, infectious agents rely on our cells to replicate, and their process is both complex and efficient. Here are 25 facts that will give you a deeper understanding of how viruses reproduce inside human cells. Let's get started. 1. Did you know that viruses can't reproduce on their own? They need a host cell to replicate because they lack the cellular machinery for reproduction. 2. Did you know that viruses are made up of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, encased in a protein shell called a capsid? 3. Did you know that the first step in viral reproduction is attachment? Viruses use proteins on their surface to attach to specific receptors on the surface of human cells. 4. Did you know that once a virus attaches to a human cell, it injects its genetic material, DNA or RNA, into the host cell, essentially taking over the cell's machinery? 5. Did you know that viruses are highly selective about which cells they infect? Each virus has specific receptor proteins that allow it to infect only certain types of cells. 6. Did you know that after a virus enters a cell, it hijacks the cell's ribosomes and enzymes, turning the cell into a viral production factory? 7. Did you know that DNA viruses usually enter the nucleus of a human cell to replicate, while RNA viruses generally replicate in the cytoplasm? 8. Did you know that retroviruses, like HIV, have RNA as their genetic material but reverse transcribe it into DNA once inside the host cell, integrating it into the cell's genome? 9. Did you know that once inside the human cell, a virus can make thousands of copies of its genetic material and protein components using the host's resources? 10. Did you know that many viruses use the Golgi apparatus of the host cell to assemble new viral particles before they are released? 11. Did you know that after replication, new viral particles are assembled and packaged inside the host cell before they are released to infect other cells? 12. Did you know that some viruses, like the influenza virus, leave the host cell by a process called budding, where they take part of the cell's membrane as their envelope? 13. Did you know that other viruses, such as bacteriophages, burst out of the host cell in a process called lysis, killing the cell and releasing hundreds of new viral particles? 14. Did you know that viruses can hide inside human cells for years by integrating their genetic material into the host's DNA, becoming dormant until conditions favor reproduction? 15. Did you know that viruses use the host cell's RNA polymerase to transcribe viral RNA from their DNA, which is then used to produce viral proteins? 16. Did you know that many RNA viruses replicate using an enzyme called RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, which is specific to viral RNA replication? 17. Did you know that during replication, some viruses introduce mutations into their genetic material, which can help them evade the immune system? 18. Did you know that viral infections can lead to a cytopathic effect in human cells, where the cell structure is disrupted, often leading to cell death? 19. Did you know that the host cell's machinery makes both viral RNA and viral proteins, which then assemble into new virus particles within the cell? 20. Did you know that viral proteins can suppress the immune response of the host cell, allowing the virus to reproduce unchecked for a longer period? 21. Did you know that during the viral replication process, some viruses cause the host cell to fuse with neighboring cells, forming large multinucleated cells called syncytia? 22. Did you know that when a virus replicates inside a host cell, it often triggers the cell to produce interferons, signaling molecules that warn neighboring cells of the infection? 23. Did you know that enveloped viruses acquire their outer lipid layer from the host cell's membrane, which helps them avoid detection by the immune system? 24. Did you know that some viruses manipulate the host cell's endoplasmic reticulum to assist in protein folding and assembly of new viral particles? 25. Did you know that after leaving the host cell, viruses can spread through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, allowing them to infect other cells throughout the body? We hope you found these 25 facts about how viruses use human cells to reproduce both fascinating and informative. Understanding the complex strategies viruses use can help in the fight against viral infections. If you enjoyed these insights, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.